true me fashion, I forgot to bring film for my film camera. Left it at home, as I seem to be doing recently, over and over. Anyways, I went and bought some Wolfen 100 because I didn't have 400. I was developing a recipe for Wolfen 400, but I left the film at home, so can't compare it. And therefore, I'm gonna load what I could find, which was Wolfen 100. And what I just did with the film recipe on the Fuji was I lowered the, I made the grain smaller, and then I made it just a little bit sharper. That's all. I'm gonna go to Castle Rock, and I found this like cool little place. It looks like an old ice cream. Oh, it used to be a train station thing. Apparently a train station ticket booth. I think it looks cool, so I'm gonna go take a photo of it with the Pentax KX 35mm on Wolfen 100, and then I'll try it also on the Fujifilm with the recipe that I made for it. See how that turns out. All right, let's stop the video here for a second. So, old me doesn't know this, but as it turns out, the Wolfen 100 that I loaded was only black and white. And I was trying to make a comparison of a recipe that I made that is a color recipe to a color film stock. But little did I know, Wolfen 100 is not color, it's black and white. So I shot this entire video thinking that I was comparing a color to color, and as it turns out, it was actually black and white to color. I'm still going to show the images. I think it's cool to see the difference between the two anyways. I still have Wolfen 400 NC 400, and that is a color stock. I did check that out, so I'll be doing that comparison later. But for this video, dumb me made it black and white to color. So enjoy the video anyways, and thank you guys for watching. That's it.
What did you bring me here for? Oh Maggie, I'm running, I'm chasing you down. Another problem, another time I'm not around. Sunday back home in old Kentucky, with the church choirs just belting to the pines. And I love you like the mountains, loves the way the morning opens, too soft and bright, greeting from the sun. So if it make you stay, I wouldn't act so angry all the time. I wouldn't keep it all inside.
I ain't ready to fire, baby. mine. And I could take you out tonight, I can lie and say you're the one, but I won't see you against the sun. So no, my mine cannot be found. The highway, it makes a lonesome sound, and I could love you in at least 100 ways. So tell me.
Safe so long, the phone came and gone at least 27 times. Fell through the floorboards in the deep dark darkness, but we never saw it again. So West Virginia's home, and that's where we stay through the blade of the Bible hymn. Jesus says we're wicked, so we just keep on picking the scab of the open mind. We both know that I ain't fooling no one. I can't even fool myself. I ain't quite sure just what I'm looking for. Life inside